Hi, my name is Kelly. Today's video is about making your own Minnie Mouse centerpiece. So what you need is a clay pot, wooden letters, and a stick. Everything that I have, I purchased from Dollar Tree. Next, we're going to go ahead and start painting the clay pot. I'm going to use 2 coats of paint. What we're going to go ahead and do is paint the letters. I'm going to use 2 coats of paint. Next, we're going to go ahead and color the stick. Next, we're going to go ahead and make the mouse head using these floral foams from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and glue the mouse ears on the head. To hold the ears in place for about 20 to 30 seconds. Make sure that the ears are even. I went ahead and spray painted the mouse ears. And this is how it looks after you spray paint it. We're going to go ahead and add Mod Podge to the letters. Add the glitter. Next, I'm about to get ready to draw a circle. I'm going to have 2 circles. One is where I'm going to cut the fabric off, and the second circle is for where to place the fabric on top of the clay pot. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the circle. This is how your circle should look like. Next, I put 4 slits on top of the fabric. Then I grab the clay pot and slide the fabric onto the clay pot. Now it's time to start making the Minnie Mouse centerpiece. So what I did was put the skirt on first to make sure everything's even. Then I glued the skirt down to the clay pot. And then I put the hair bow piece onto the clay pot. Now we're finished. What I did off camera was add the ribbon on the bottom of the skirt, as well as add a bow in the middle. Also, I added the heart on the base and glued the Minnie Mouse ears as well as the one to the stick. If you like this DIY, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day and stay warm.